Obi, I know this means a lot to you, right? Just a year ago, we lost Marland, and what better way to really memorialize him than having such an event with literally what I'm looking around, hundreds of people here. Your thoughts?
Oh, I'm so elated to have all these people here. I'm happy that they, come out just to represent the legacy of a life of someone who dedicated his life to basketball and the sport. So, I'm just really happy. I'm overjoyed. It's a very good feeling. And like I said, I thank all the team, both male, female, the young ones coming out. And what is so interesting, the young ones are here and their parents are here. So there's a lot of support here. It just makes me, it really warms my heart.
It's been a tough year with some tough losses in the basketball community. Mr. Nattie,
and then the Elf.
Yeah, and Mr. Nattie, just a legend, and he was so supportive of me when I started with the national program in 2019. He was a great resource for me. He was obviously a Jamaica basketball legend himself as a player, as a coach. He was a great resource of information, just an incredible man. And it's so cool that we're here honoring that legacy with 40 plus teams that, essentially he was a part of building. So it's been a great day so far. I'm just really impressed with the organization of the tournament.
Well, certainly when Oberon contacted us last year to show she wanted to do an activity to memorialize Mr. Nattie, we said, okay, a CNC competition would be a perfect fit because Marland was one of the drivers behind the growth of CNC basketball and mini basketball a couple of years ago when CBC and FIBA wanted to spread basketball, that a form of basketball in the island. So we are quite pleased with what we are seeing here.
And you see yourself maybe expanding it across the island?
That's a tough one. I mean, it's a yearly thing. It's going to be an annual thing because, like I said, it's not just coming in and playing a 3-on-3. It's about Jamaica Basketball Association benefiting and also the players because it is a FIBA endorsed event. And fortunately for now, it's going to be a yearly event around the time of Marland's passing.